Yes, my people, good day. Working on the Porsche 911 again. We're doing manual transmission fluid change. What is the first thing that you do when you're going to do a transmission fluid change? I bet you don't know. It is not pulling the drain plug. It is actually finding the fill plug and then breaking it loose before you break loose the drain plug. Why is that? You don't want to drain the fluid out and can't refill it. You're running out problems. Let me show you where the transmission fluid fill is and where the drain plug is. Go on, let's go. So I have this tool in here just to show you. So follow this tool and you see exactly where the plug is. And then this is where the drain plug is. Both of them are designed similarly to the engine drain plug, but the transmission one is more forward, the engine one is more towards the back, and then also the transmission one is covered by the cover that was here. So chances of you mixing them up is possible but not probable. I'm just pointing it out to you so that you know. So we're gonna break this loose just to make sure, you know, say it broke loose, because if this don't break loose, we're gonna postpone the draining. So here we go. Kind of tight. Okay, all right, there we go. There we go. All right. So it's loose. So since it's loose now, we can break this one loose. We're going to drain it. All right. So we have it crack loose. Wonder what color this is. Try not to drop it in the bucket. There we go. I look brand new. Brand new. Just for you. So we are a little more than 2.25 liters. We are at 2.5 quarts. So we empty this out. Wash it out, clean it out. So now I'm going to put the new fluid in this and pump the new fluid back in. Also, don't forget that you need to put the drain plug back in. Starting to fill. Don't forget to put the drain plug in. When you look down, you have Exxon Valdez Gitribiol. Porsche. How much is this? Like $90? You buckle? Probably not, eh? No. Woo! Whoa, you see the difference? This one nice and light. 3 quarts of that one, and then there's a kit for different size ones. So okay, all right, so we have that in. Now we're going to pump until we start seeing some fluid escape from the fill plug. That's how we know we're at the right level. Alright, I'll put the stick with pinky finger in there and see, clean off your pinky finger, and you put it into there and see where it is. If you can get your pinky in there. What is it? It's right there. It's right there. It's right at the. So that 0.2 is to do the overflowing. Okay, you see? See? Let me wipe this off again. Or, all right, here we go. Let's make a little dipstick. Make a little dipstick out of zip tie. So many uses of the zip tie, eh? Bend it right there. All right, go put it in and dip and see how far up it. Make sure it's on the base of that. Yeah, so that's where we're at. So this is where the base of the plug is. That's where the oil level is. So maybe a half quart more to make it flow over. But remember, you were driving with 2.5 quarts and we just put in 3 quarts in it. So maybe like 3.2, 3.3 to get it all the way up there. But this is not empty. That's it. All right. That's the right amount right there. Put the plug in. Plug it in. Plug it in. All right. So if you're going to do a service like this on your Porsche, granted it costs a 3.2 by 4. Pump it in. When it starts to flow, you'll have a little left, but at least it won't be short when you're doing the job. You understand? That's that for that. So we're going to tighten everything back up, and that is how you change the fluid on one of these Porsche 911s transmissions. You see what I'm saying? Yeah man, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, bless. Yeah!